In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hubspot Meeting Scheduler, a tool that makes booking appointments seamless and efficient. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will bring you to a new screen where you'll have different login options. For simplicity's sake, opt for Sign In with Google and pick the Google account that you'll be using with HubSpot. Now that you're logged in, you should see the HubSpot dashboard. Focus on the left-hand panel and click on Sales to access the Sales section of HubSpot. Within that section, look for the Meeting Scheduler option and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. As you enter the Meeting Scheduler, an option to Create Scheduling page will appear at the top right corner. Click on that to begin setting up your meeting survey. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of meeting you want to schedule. This could range from one-on-one consultations to group meetings or any other format that suits your needs. After selecting the meeting type, you'll need to enter the internal name. Think of this as a tag or reference to keep track of your meetings. It's something that will be visible only to you or your team, so make it clear and descriptive. Next is choosing the organizer. This step is crucial because the organizer is the person who will manage the meeting. It helps with clarity and ensures that any correspondence goes to the right person. After confirming the organizer, you should move on to Add Event Title. The title is what your guests will see, so it should be direct and informative. Following this, it's time to fill in the location field. Whether it's an in-person meetup or a virtual conference, make sure to be precise about where the meeting will take place. Moving on, you have the chance to add a meeting description. This is where you can elaborate on the agenda, expectations, or any specific instructions your guests might need to know. Click Next, and you'll find yourself on a page where you can edit the scheduling link. Craft a link that's short, clear, and easily understandable. Continuing on, choose the desired date from the calendar that appears on the right side of your screen. Once you've selected a date, pick a time slot that works best for you and your attendees from the time options available. Hitting Next once more will bring you to the automation settings for invites and reminders. Decide how you want this process to unfold, whether through emails, texts, or any other method available. Finally, once all the details are in place, click on Create Scheduling page. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a meeting using the HubSpot Meeting Scheduler. This tool will help you efficiently manage your time and appointments, ensuring smoother interactions with clients and partners alike.